I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and verifying data access, because locked credentials break everything later. Once done, enable Get and Transform if it's off, then create a small sample connection to the source so you can iterate quickly. You should import a representative table or CSV, not the full dataset, to test transforms. Make sure to load into the query editor as connection only if you plan to refine steps. This keeps the workbook light and speeds development. You now focus on the detailed execution. Apply atomic transforms one at a time so each step is reproducible and debuggable. Use parameters for server names, file paths, or dates to make queries reusable, and remove unused columns early to reduce load. Once filtered and trimmed, perform merges or groupings. This preserves performance. Make sure to fold queries to the source when possible. Query folding pushes work to the server and dramatically speeds refreshes. Preview frequently to verify results. You finish by selecting Close and Load to and choosing the appropriate destination. Table for analysis, connection only for reuse, or a pivot for reports, then save the workbook. If you need portability, export the connection, or create a template with parameter placeholders. Finally, schedule or manually refresh to confirm behavior. If something goes wrong, check credentials, privacy level mismatches, and the specific applied step that errors. Fixing the earliest failing step usually resolves cascading failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.